Hi everybody, welcome to the first episode of Does It Vlog? In this series on my channel, what I plan to do is cover some of the experiences I've had with technology and software and whether it actually helped me produce my YouTube channel, or was it actually a hindrance? And I wanted to share that information with you guys because I know a lot of people are just starting their YouTube channels or just starting to think about social media, and there was a lot of stumbling blocks that I went over as far as technology and software and things that I had to learn. Steep learning curve when it came to video, that's for sure. So I just wanted to share all that information with you, and I thought this would be a great way to distribute that information and start a whole new series called Does It Vlog? Let's get started with the series, episode 1. Welcome everybody, I'm Panda Dave, and this is my first episode of Does This Vlog. We're going to be talking about a couple of different items today. First item that we're going to be talking about is the MyK App, MyK App. This application that's on your iPhone, actually what it does is it will sync up audio from an external microphone that is connected to your iPhone and your GoPro footage, thereby creating a better audio experience when you're shooting with your GoPro. I tried this app based off of the recommendation of another YouTube creator named Jevin Dovey. Jevin has a great channel, a lot of information. I highly recommend it. I'll link the video here or here. And you should really check out that video as far as the MyK App, but also subscribe to the rest of his channel. He has a lot of great information for beginning YouTube creators. So what this app does is it allows you to use an external microphone connected to your iPhone and sync up with your GoPro through your iPhone. So you're recording your audio that can be synced up later through the editing using this app. My experience with the app is this. Once you sync up to your GoPro, it does stay synced up. You don't have to resync it and resync it. The problem is if you turn the GoPro off at the GoPro, the app wants to kick it back on. You literally have to open the app and turn the GoPro off in the application for the GoPro to stay off. Which to me, I'm uncomfortable with because I would inevitably turn off the GoPro, stick it in my pocket, it would turn back on, and then when I went to use it, the battery would be dead. Is it a total deal breaker? I would say no, you could probably work around it, but I just wanted to let you know that that does happen. You have to jump through some hoops to move that video file onto your PC so that you can put it onto your video editing software and get that video ready for upload to YouTube. But I'll tell you that my final takeaway from the MyK App was that it would definitely be good to use for TikTok or Instagram, regardless of the type of laptop or desktop that you're using, because the files can stay on your phone, and with the GoPro Hero 7 you can actually record vertically instead of horizontally, and then it would be very easy to move that video with great sounding audio right into those social media platforms. So I can recommend it for that. It comes in either a paid or free version. I downloaded the free version and I thought that I would give it a try first, and that's what I'm going to recommend. Download the free version, see if it works for you. If it does, fantastic. Leave a comment below. Let me know, hey, it worked, and the workarounds that you found and how you're using it, because again, I'm a beginning YouTube creator as well, and I would really like for my community to give me the information that they have as far as what they use to drive their content as well. The second item I wanted to talk to you about is actually a piece of technology that I purchased early on to capture smooth footage off my cell phone, and I have this here for you now. It is called a DJI Osmo Mobile. This is the second version. There's a newer version and an earlier version, but I purchased the second version of this mobile gimbal, and I'll show you what it looks like. It actually came with a very nice carrying bag, but this is the gimbal itself. It's a really good looking piece of technology. It actually takes some really smooth, good-looking video, very easy to use. Came with a charging cable, charges really, really quickly. What I liked is that it's a USB charging cable, so I could use a battery pack to charge it on the go. At the time, the phone that I had was the iPhone 8. It did have a problem with reading the iPhone 8 because it does have a glass back, and the workaround was simply to put a post-it note on the back of the phone where the sensor was, and then it read it really, really quickly. And I'll tell you, the footage, the time that I used it the most, we actually went to the mystery spot in California, and I shot some video there. The problem that I have with this gimbal is that I only used it 4 times and then it stopped working. That's right, 4 times and it stopped working. I wish it had worked better, or at least worked longer. As soon as it stopped working, I did research just to make sure that it wasn't me, I wasn't doing something wrong. And what I found was that a lot of creators were having difficulty with it and having the same issue where it would just stop gimbaling. And that's kind of where I'm at with that. It didn't gimbal. What I would recommend, instead of going into a gimbal and using your smartphone, is possibly purchasing a gimbal for your camera or an action camera. And as some of you may know, I use a GoPro to do all my travel vlogging, and then I just insert photos that I've taken while I'm on location. I know that DJI makes quite a few different gimbals. I'm not sure if any of those have any problems. Kind of put me off on DJI that so many people have had this issue. And of course, you know, I had it over a year, so it's out of warranty. So I don't expect them to replace it. I don't expect them to fix it. I was just disappointed that for the cost and for what seems to be tremendous build quality, 4 uses just to me wasn't enough. Okay, that's it for the first episode ever of Does It Vlog. I hope that you found this information useful in some way, shape, or form. Again, if you don't agree, if you had different experiences, please comment below. Don't forget, like, subscribe, let me know other products or other things you would like me to try. I'll give them a try, especially if they're winner chicken dinner. I'd be happy to share those with my community and let them know that, hey, here's something that can really help you with your YouTube creation journey. Again, I'm Panda Dave. Thanks for being here, and I hope to see you soon. All right, that's a wrap on the first episode of Does It Vlog. I hope you found this all this info, blah, blah, blah.